Hello, guys, welcome back to our channel A Word a Day. As you all know, that this week is dedicated for the letter B, then let's get going. We really need your support and encouragement to make new videos every day only for you. So, click on the subscribe button right now, like, share, and comment too. But wait, what can I use instead of the word support? We can use the word bolster. Bolster. That makes you sound smarter. The meaning of the word is to support or strengthen. The other words that you can use instead of bolster is boost, fortify, strengthen, and many more. The examples are: my sister's presence bolstered my confidence. More money is needed to bolster the farming sector of India. Congratulations, you learnt a new word today. Now it's time to frame your own sentence and post it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let's meet up soon. Till then, keep smiling, keep sharing. Thank you.